A cluster infection has gained a foothold in Seoul. An alarming number of people among a call center's employees and their families have tested positive for the virus. But nationwide, the daily jump in new cases dipped to just above 100. Kim Jae-hee helps us look beyond the digits.
The cluster infection at the Seoul call center has now grown to more than 100 cases.
As of 10 a.m. on March 12th, a total of 102 people linked to a call center in the Guro-gu District of southwestern Seoul have tested positive for the coronavirus. Almost all of the confirmed cases are concentrated on the 11th floor of the building, but there were confirmed cases on the 9th and 10th floors as well.
This is the largest cluster of people to have been infected in Seoul so far. The mayor said the city will designate the building and nearby areas as a special support zone for contagious diseases. Meanwhile, more cases have been reported at South Korea's main government complex in the city of Sejong, some 130 kilometers south of Seoul. As of Thursday noon, 9 civil servants at the government complex had tested positive, raising concerns of another potential cluster infection. Nationwide, at least 67 people have died from the virus so far. The Korea Centers for Disease Control and Prevention on Thursday reported 114 new cases across the country, down from the 242 new cases reported the previous day. This brings the total number of confirmed cases to 7,869. Of those, 333 people have so far been released from quarantine. More than 234,000 people have been tested. Results are still pending for more than 17,000 people, but some 209,000 of the results have come out negative. 90% of the total infections in the country have been in Daegu and Gyeongsangbuk-do province. More than 5,800 people have tested positive in Daegu, the most of any part of the country by far, and the majority of cases there are part of a cluster infection linked to the Shincheonji religious group. As a preventive measure, the government says starting Sunday, people entering South Korea from 5 European countries, France, Germany, Spain, Britain, and the Netherlands, will have their temperature checked and will be subject to closer monitoring. The government has also unveiled prevention guidelines for people who work in confined spaces, such as call centers and shared facilities like PC gaming rooms and karaoke rooms. Kim Jae-hee, Arirang News.